Hey, retirement is a great thing. That is until it starts to feel like the days begin to blend together. That's not the case for me. I'm Dave. This is Retired with Purpose. If you want something fun to do with a side of extra income, eBay is the perfect solution for you. You're hunting for items. You'll list items. You're going to sell some items and you're going to ship some items. And then suddenly you've got a meaningful hobby that actually pays you. I mean, it's a great hobby. Let me show you how eBay can give retirees both purpose and profit. So let's talk first about purpose. As you know, my channel name, Retired with Purpose, what I find with eBay is it gives me a reason to get out. I'm going out and I'm looking for things. It gives me motivation to actually move and go out and find things. And when you're doing that, you're building relationships with people out there in your community. When you're searching for these different items that you may want to sell, you're going to meet people. And that's a good thing. Keeping those avenues open is definitely a good thing. But you're going to also build some relationships with buyers, people that are buying your items. And again, like I mentioned, through your sourcing, through your community, you're going to be meeting people, but you're being active. You're getting up and you're moving, and it's fun. So the thing about eBay is the achievements, even the small achievements feel like big wins. So when you get started, the extra income's just a bonus. Like I said, you're going to go out and you're going to find some items. And these items can be from all different categories. Personally, I got my favorites, and I like to look for electronics, and I like to look for kitchen appliances. That's always a good one for me. But there's many different things. And I have several different videos that explain to you about what to be looking for. And the BOLO list. Go look at my videos on BOLOs. And BOLO means be on the lookout for certain items. But when you're buying, don't buy just anything. Be particular on what you're buying. And you're going to search what's called STR, or sell-through rate. So you don't have the fear of buying a lot of things and setting them on your shelf and never being able to sell them. That's not the case if you're careful with how you buy. And that's one of the things that I teach on this channel. And I have many different videos on that. But the extra income, like I said, that's a bonus. The purpose, when you hear that little eBay cha-ching go off, that's exciting, because when that happens, it's that small achievement. Something that you went and sourced, something you went out and hunted and found and listed has sold. Then comes the side part of it, the income. So people that are on Social Security or that are on limited income, or even people that are not, that extra income can be a boon for your livelihood. So the extra income's nice, but the purpose is wonderful, giving you a reason to move, get out there. Now, the other thing that it does is it's going to build your confidence. As you know, on Retired with Purpose, I do a lot of different side hustles, side gigs, looking opportunities, whatever you want to call them. I have several that I do. And these things give you confidence. When you're having these small wins on eBay and you're selling some of these items and you're shipping the items, it all builds confidence that you may look at other opportunities. I have several income streams coming into my bank account because I have the confidence to go after them. eBay is a solid performer. eBay is one that anyone can do. Anyone can go out, learn what items to look for. eBay gives you all the information to do that, and I share that. And I also share actual sales. I will show you a sale and all of the fees associated with it and how much eBay actually deposits in my account. I have those videos out there, and I encourage you to go look at them, because when you watch those actual videos of actual sales, you will see this is a really nice side hustle, side gig to do. It's exciting, but on top of that, on top of all these things, and one of the things that I hope it gets you excited, it always excites me to discuss these things, flexibility. It's your gig. It's your side hustle. You can handle however much you want to handle. The flexibility is absolutely wonderful. You can work at your own pace. You have no boss. You have no schedule. So you can do it just whenever you want to do it. But I'll tell you what, it's always surprising to me how much an eBay hobby can pay you. As you build your inventory, understand what I just mentioned a few moments ago. If I'm building an inventory that has a really good sell-through rate, all of these items I know are going to sell in short order, you will start seeing sales come in daily, and multiple sales can come in daily. And when you're my rule of thumb that I use is 10 times my money. I've repeated it on many videos. It's not always the case, but that's just my general rule of thumb. So every time I hear the little cha-ching, that's that little achievement saying you just made 10 times your money. Let's go take a look real quick on my phone. I'll pick it up really quick and I'll just check and see what I sold. So it's a great hobby for retirees. It's easy to do. I teach it. I'll be glad to help you with that. And as a side note, as many of you know, I have a membership program on my channel, and I also offer coaching. Now, the reason I bring that up, many people will ask for help. They get started and they get stuck. Well, if that happens, leave comments in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer your comments. And if we get stuck on something, keep in mind that I do have coaching. I mean, if you're stuck and you just don't know what to do, don't worry, there's help out there. And I have a lot of subscribers now. I can't believe I'm coming up on 28,000 subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of you. But they're helpful too in the comments. So if you're looking for something fun to do, like I started this video with a side order of income coming with it, eBay can be perfect for you. Guys, I'm Dave. This is Retired with Purpose. If you like this type of information, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.